Hey, Linux lovers and AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is my web university, which is youtube.com at MyWebUniversity. The channel handle is at MyWebUniversity. Today, I'm diving into Ollama, the free new open source. It's free and it's open source. And the name of the open source software is called Ollama, which runs large language models, Meta AI. Meta means data about data, or in this case, the billions of parameters that are being uh, deployed on the large language model. We are just going to use them and run them and pull them. So you can run the large language model of Ollama locally on your own personal computer, which could be Mac OS X, which is Unix BSD version, Berkeley software distribution, Mac OS X, or Linux. Linux, you have Fedora distribution, Debian distribution, Linux OpenSUSE, a lot of them. So the one that I'm going to be discussing today is a Fedora distribution, which is a Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. So Fedora distribution, Debian distribution is Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and Linux Ubuntu, and a lot of other ones, Kali Linux. So it is also supported on Windows platform. So that's the nice thing, that it's supported on Unix platform, Linux platform, and Windows, all three platforms. Ollama is open source framework that lets you run powerful large language model, LLMs, right on your own machine. So all you need is CPU and memory. Uh, Memory, CPU, and hard disk space. The GPU is not required, but it is accelerates it when you have it. And I will be doing Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. In this case, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 is the version that is owned by Red Hat, which is a Fedora distribution that now IBM acquired Red Hat and IBM owns it. However, there were previous version like CentOS, which stands for Community Enterprise Edition of Operating System. And that was replaced by Rocky version and a few years back. The new version of Rocky Enterprise Linux 9 is replacing the CentOS 8.6 that was there. Rocky 8.6 came in, and then now the latest version of Rocky is up to date with Red Hat 9. And then there's also Fedora distribution that you can get Fedora 35, 45, all those versions. They are just also open source. And these are all Fedora distributions. So whether you're doing Red Hat or CentOS or Rocky, they're all, or Fedora itself is Fedora distribution. So please stick around for a quick demo and some best practices steps I'm going to show you. And of course, a handy PDF file that I will provide you on my description of the courses that you can download, and you can need it whenever you refer to it. It will help you a lot. And then please share that one with your groups. So by sharing, you care about them as well, and you inspire other people. So you're going to just learn something, and you're going to benefit it for yourself and for others. Let's get started with this video. So I'm going to be talking about Ollama on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9, which is a VM on my machine that's running off of my host operating system, Windows 11. And then the virtual machine or installed on VirtualBox. One of them is Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 that I'm just going to show you. I have a lot of other videos from zero to hero on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9, on Rocky Linux, Enterprise Linux 9, on Ubuntu, and on Fedora. All of these distributions, I have a lot of videos. Please watch them. You're going to learn whether you are junior admin, senior admin, developers, from subject matter expert. You're going to learn these things much faster and an easier way. So just follow these videos, and you will be an expert yourself, and then you help others. So this is also going to be a full course. I just want to cover as much as possible on one video with Ollama on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9, distribution of Fedora. And running Ollama, large language models, Meta AI locally. So that means that I'm running it on my virtual machine. The virtual machine have to have enough memory and CPU, and then processors speed, and then also GPU is not required, it's optional, it's accelerated, but memory and CPU on hard disk is required. And I'll show you how to check on those ones from the operating system level, as well as finding out the operating system version. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you, first of all, the Ollama website, where all the software that you can download it. So you go to https://ollama.com/downloads, and if you click on the download page, this page comes in with a Mac OS X, which is Unix BSD version, and then Linux, which is could be Fedora or Debian or anything. All you do is that at the time you use this curl command on the Linux platform, you point the curl command to just go to this URL, which is https://ollama.com/install.sh. This install.sh will run, and then you pipe it to Bourne shell sh. Once you pipe it to Bourne shell, this will install Ollama on user local bin, and as well as create your systemctl files for Linux services, everything, and I will show you all of that. And it's going to benefit you a lot on this video. So this is the Linux platform. If you want to do the Mac OS X, you could also do that one by clicking on this one, or in the Windows version. Both Windows and Mac Unix BSD version, both of them comes as packages. So you don't have to click anywhere to just install curl or anything. You don't need anything. All you need is click on this one, and it will come as a package. You click on the download, and then it will detect your system that if it's Mac or Windows, then install the executable package. And then as soon as you install it, it will just come out with a few buttons of next, 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 and then you're set to go. But make sure that you have the hard disk space and the memory requirement. There's some constraint that you have to meet it, and then it's there. This logo is just when you go to the main page, this logo is in the front page. So I put it on this slide to just show you that I'm installing Ollama, and these are the default GPT OSS, which is 13 gig in size, and there's billions of parameters. So I will show you how to detect these ones. And then you also have this option under models. You click on the models, all the large language models are going to show there. And then also, if you just, instead of download/Linux, you say ollama.com/library, it will just actually show you the list of models that are available on this website, which I'm going to demo also as well. And this logo of Red Hat is because I'm installing on Red Hat 9, so you know that this is the thing. And this URL that I'm talking about, Ollama website, this is the download page. The actual website is ollama.com. That's it. And it's HTTPS hypertext transfer protocol secure, which means it's encrypted as a certificate, so you're safe. And then all the data between the client and the server, their web server, is in encryption mode, and it's not kind of compromised. Man in the middle attack who cannot do anything with it. So here, download Ollama. How do you download Ollama? Basically, on Linux platform, you click on this button, you just get the curl command that you could run curl and dash lowercase fs and then uppercase SL. And then after that one, the URL for ollama.com install.sh script, which is a binary that bash script, the .shell script. And then you just run this one, pipe it to Bourne shell, and it will execute it there. And then when you click on the Mac and Windows, those two are packages. You don't have to do curl. It's just a package that comes in on Mac. You install it, or an executable.exec file, and that on Windows, you just run it from your download directory, and then Ollama will be installed on your system and configured for you automatically. So here is the Ollama page for the downloads that I showed you. This is the full syntax that you do on the Linux platform. Again, downloading Ollama, and then you just could click on download Linux, and this is the source. View a script source, manual installation. There's a lot of documentation below here that says docs and other ones. When I go to ollama.com website, I'll show you those ones details as well. And this is again the logo, so you could go next. And then Ollama on Red Hat Enterprise full course, a structure of this course. On this course, I'm just trying to do a very, very efficient work for you because I want to help you out. And I honestly think that if you just download this Ollama open source software, you're set for life. You just don't need any book to buy. You don't need any knowledge to go to college. You could just train yourself and you will be the genius that you want to be. And the rest of your life, whether you want to get scientific formulas, whether you want to do code like scripting, programming, syntax-wise, knowledge of space, knowledge of Earth, knowledge of geography, knowledge of math, anything, these AI models, they have billions of parameters. You can ask question and chat with them and interactively, then ask more question, which I will show you some of those ones. Then after a while, you will be a robot yourself, a person that you could maybe write a program to just do certain things, or maybe you could make your own business and then you could just help others. And then whether you want to sell it or market it or not, that's entirely up to you. But believe it or not, I'm predicting that if you just continue practicing on Ollama on your own local machine, you will be so much advanced in your skill set and technique and tactic that you are going to use. On a different day, you will be surprising yourself and then surprising your boss or your professor at college or anything. You're going to just be amazing. So make sure that you follow my direction of helping you. And someday later, maybe 5 years from now or 2 years from now, you know exactly what I was talking about and where you find yourself in 6 months or a year or 5 years from now. God bless you, and just continue on learning. So the structure of this course, I'm going to show you what is I'm going to cover on this course.